Celebrate good time, come on. If I wouldn't have been a date dog, I would have been a travel agency because I do love booking my holidays. Yeah. And it's this pre-happiness I'm already sharing, to know where it's going and what my destination will be. But I found out this is not for everyone. And I totally understand that. And especially if you're single, this could be a sheer nightmare. And you know why? Where should I go on holidays? How long should I stay? It could be that I feel more depressed, eating alone, and nobody's going to come with me, and seeing all these people and all these couples holding hands on the beach. No way, I'm not going, not at all. What does that mean? Does that mean you end up not booking any kind of holidays? You stay alone at home? But guys, you could miss meeting your holiday fling. And not only that, you could meet your potential dream partner. And you heard me right. This 20% of people meeting their potential dream partner on holidays. Yes, they do. What are the do's and don'ts for you to make your holiday the best holiday ever and the ideal holiday for a single? Listen well. First, don't go with your parents. Yes, you're hearing me right, because some people do that, and this is absolutely not sexy. You're not going to attract anyone. And I really recommend that you even go alone, not taking a friend. Where should you go? Go to a camp with sports activities, because you will meet healthy, good-looking, well-trained people there, and that's exactly what you want to meet, or who you want to meet, of course. Where to sleep? It's easy. Don't sleep in any family resorts, because that's exactly where you will get depressed as a single and you won't meet other singles. But sleep in hostels, yeah! Because everybody in a hostel is a single, of course, and that doesn't mean that you need to stay in a very shabby hostel. And time has changed. People really actively choose to sleep in hostels because they want to meet other people. Yes? So even if you're the richest person on earth, don't do the luxury resort. Do the hostel. No, and don't get any kind of commission for proposing a hostel. I swear. And now I give you the secret sauce for having the perfect holidays. You should make friends with the people living in your holiday destination. You know why? Because it could be that you really love the place, and getting to know people who live there and are originally from this country or from this city, they could show you around, they could show you the best places, and they can be great friends. And next time when you come back, you don't even have to do any kind of preparation. You go there and you have your friends there, and these friends have other friends and have maybe hot friends. So always be prepared to meet your dream partner on your holiday destination, in your holiday destination. And my last tip is not to book spontaneously. And I tell you why. You never can foresee what happens, but when you're at least booking 6 months ahead, you can decide for the destination you want to go to, and it's always like that the nice places, the hot places are very early booked. So be quick and book in advance. Yeah, I wish you the best holidays ever. If you want more advice, if you want more specific suggestions for countries you could go to as a single, then don't hesitate, email me on Nisrien.com, get in touch. And I will be very happy to answer some questions, because I love booking my holidays. Hasta la vista, baby.